we are competitive, but we need to cooperate. So we need to exchange ideas because it's not a zero-sum game. So these events are a great place to bring people together and exchange ideas, because what we really want to do to improve the whole industry is to increase the flow of ideas in the industry. So when people talk to each other, it's great. And as you change each company's stories, and these stories are told, then you can change the story of the industry, and if we're lucky, we can change the story of the country or things like that. So I think these are very, very important events.